and welcome to today's video. I hope that you're all doing amazing. Okay, today's Saturday. It's Sunday. It's Sunday. And I had a bunch of people over last night, and it's actually not that messy. But I have to clean it up, so that's what we're gonna do together. I bought like a bunch of drinks for people, and then no one drank them, so now I just have like an insane amount of drinks that I'm not gonna drink. So I don't know what to do about that, but it's okay. One of my cats got into a garbage bag, which is not fun, but he's being absolutely insane. But anyways, spend the day with me. First thing I have to do is take the garbage out, so let's do that. I have to get another sock first because I stepped in something wet. I hate that. Anyways, okay. Okay, today I don't know if I should listen to music or watch The Walking Dead. So I want to finish The Walking Dead, but it's so hard because it's so bad. Okay, it's not that bad, but like it's hard to finish because it's not as good as the original, like the first seasons. So like it's so hard. But I don't know. I feel like I'm feeling kind of stressed today for some reason. And sometimes like when I'm stressed, I need to like have something distracting in the back. So I think I'm gonna watch something today, or at least while I'm cleaning, because then I don't have room for like thinking, so I don't think about bad things. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's do The Walking Dead, except I'm re-watching it with my sister, so I don't actually know where I'm at. I feel like I was season 10. Was I in season? Oh, okay. I was season 9, episode 12, so we're gonna do that while we clean. I haven't watched it in like months and months, so I literally don't know what's happening, but that's okay. That's okay. We will figure it out. Okay, so I'm back and I think I'm gonna, okay. So I'm potentially maybe planning on moving in May. It's like 90% confirmed gonna happen. Not like 100% because I haven't signed the lease yet, but it's like I'm just waiting to sign it and then it's like good. So I have to get rid of like a bunch of stuff and clear up a bunch of stuff because this apartment has gotten so messy, like with stuff everywhere. All of my kitchen cabinets, like I use maybe like 4 kitchen cabinets and then the rest are just filled with nothing. I mean, they're not filled with nothing, they're filled with a lot of things, but like just nonsense. So I need to clear it up because in the new apartment that I'm getting, the kitchen is like a little bit smaller, like the cabinets, there's not as many, which is kind of good because I guess like I won't be able to fill them up with a bunch of like random things, but I have to clear things up and like be intentional about what I keep and like just have it make sense. So I think I'm gonna do like that right now. I have a super busy week of school too. Oh my god, today I'm feeling stressed. Usually like I try to be in a like good mood and I try to be positive, but like I don't know, today I'm just feeling stressed. It's okay. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna clean some cabinets. You guys can see all of the nonsense that I have in here. It's actually ridiculous. Please don't be judgmental, okay? Please. It's just like a bunch of stuff that I don't want to deal with. I don't want to see it, so I just like put it away and then I just pretend that it doesn't exist. So please don't be mean, okay? It's not that bad, but it's like whatever. Okay, whatever, we'll just see. Okay, we'll just see what's in there. But yeah, anyways, I'm so excited to move. I don't know why I'm moving. It's random. Well, it makes sense, but like still. I feel like embarrassed to tell people because like my apartment here is so beautiful, so it's like doesn't really make sense to like outside people, but like for me it makes sense. So that's all that matters, right? Okay, anyways, I should get started. Everything will be great and I will be able to chill later tonight. Also, the reason that I wear my headphones all the time is because I don't want to listen to music loud in my apartment because my poor cats, they are very sensitive to sound, okay? I feel like someone once commented like, why is she always wearing headphones? Like, she's not in the real world, or I don't know, something. Like all these distractions, like yes, I distract myself, but like don't come at me because I wear headphones, please, okay? Oh my god. I just don't want to hurt my little cat's ears. Okay, I'm gonna listen to Taylor. Okay, I'm gonna listen to Taylor Swift, but like don't tell anyone because I don't actually like her that much, but she has some songs that are good, but like I don't really like, I'm not a Swiftie, I don't really like her that much, but she has some songs that are good. So okay, we're doing it now. We're doing it for real this time. I'm gonna do this one because it's full of craziness. I'm gonna just take everything out and then I don't know. super old muffin. Okay, now what? Now what? Okay, half of the mess were these bags. Grocery bags. I think I should keep them because I don't really want to like throw them out. But yeah, that was pretty easy. So I think I'm gonna do one more. I think I'm gonna do those ones. And then I will be done. Why do I have so many of these? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is insane actually. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done. But I have a pile, like ridiculous pile of bags. Like, it's actually insane. I did not realize that I had this many bags. But yeah, so now I don't know what to do. I don't want to throw them out because like they're reusable. That's the point, that I don't throw them out. So I don't know. I have to put a bunch in my car. I feel like that would be helpful. And then I will stop buying them. I'm no longer allowed to buy them. No more. I don't know where to put them. Yeah, maybe I'll fold them. And then after that, I'm gonna chill and try to relax a little bit before I eat. That's the plan. Okay, let's do something with these. Okay, these are my grocery bags. I have too many, but whatever. And then the other ones, I'm just gonna use these to pack. Like instead of using garbage bags, I'm just gonna use these to like pack up my apartment when I move, if I move. I don't wanna jinx it, oh my god. But anyways, I'm gonna keep these just in case. But yeah,